Taufa family, Sticks up in this mix with my beautiful sisters, Jekka and Crystal, here to sing the song Rosa, written and arranged by my uncle Viliamu Tauma. Here we go! Oi ole rosa, ilo uma fau faunga, sasala lemononi, fa sofile oli oli, asusulu mailela, mataya yo fallinga, fa tosina. My la le le, oh say, tu ai sunga, ie vanga sauma, asusulu mai la, mataya ro fallinga, fatosina. Ay, 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 oh, ole rosa, ilo uma fau faunga, sasale lemonongi, fa sofile oli oli. Fatosina, my